Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Dreamverse AI. My name is Didi, and today I'm going to show you something that will completely change how you create YouTube content. You know how writing YouTube scripts can take hours? Research, outlining, writing hook, body, call to action, it's exhausting, right? Well, what if I told you that you can create a complete, professional, viral-worthy YouTube script in just 5 minutes using ChatGPT? And I'm not talking about some generic, boring script. I'm talking about scripts with attention-grabbing hooks, engaging storytelling, perfect pacing, strong calls to action, SEO optimization, all created by AI in literally 5 minutes or less. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step process, the prompts I use, the tweaks I make, everything. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create unlimited YouTube scripts for any topic, any niche in minutes. Sound good? Let's dive in. Alright, step 1 is super simple. You need to decide what your video is about and what style you want. For this tutorial, let's say I want to create a video about 5 ChatGPT hacks everyone should know. Now here's the key. Before you even open ChatGPT, you need to know, number 1, your video length. Is it a quick 3-minute video or a deep 15-minute tutorial? Number 2, your tone. Do you want it funny and casual or professional and educational? Number 3, your target audience. Are you talking to beginners or experts? Once you know these 3 things, you're ready to create the perfect prompt. For this example, length, 8 to 10 minutes. Tone, casual and engaging. Audience, beginners who want to use ChatGPT better. Got it? Now let's move to step 2. Act as an expert YouTube script writer with 10 years of experience creating viral content. Create a complete YouTube video script for a length minute video about your topic. The script should include 1. Attention-grabbing hook, first 10 seconds. 2. Introduction that builds curiosity. 3. Main content divided into clear sections with timestamps. 4. Engaging transitions between sections. 5. Examples and stories to keep viewers interested. 6. Strong call to action at the end. 7. SEO-optimized title suggestions. Tone. Casual/professional/funny/etc. Target audience. Beginners/intermediate/experts/etc. Format the script with clear sections. Hook, midnight to 0:10. Intro, 0:10 to 0:45. Main content, with timestamps. Conclusion and CTA, final 30 seconds. Make it engaging, conversational, and designed to maximize watch time and retention. Now here's where the magic happens. This is my master prompt formula. I'm going to show you exactly what I type into ChatGPT to get perfect scripts every single time. You can see it here on screen. Let me break down why this prompt works so well. First, I tell ChatGPT to act as an expert YouTube script writer. This makes it think like a professional, not just give generic answers. Then I specify the exact length and topic. Next, and this is crucial, I tell it exactly what to include. Hook, intro, main content, transitions, examples, and call to action. I also specify the tone and target audience so the script matches my channel style. And finally, I ask for it to be formatted with timestamps and sections, which makes filming so much easier. This prompt formula took me months to perfect, and now I'm giving it to you for free. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, now let's customize this prompt for our example video. I'm opening ChatGPT right now, and I'm going to fill in the blanks in our master prompt. Length * 8 to 10 minutes. Topic * 5 ChatGPT hacks everyone should know. Tone * casual and engaging. Audience * beginners. Tone, casual and engaging. Audience, beginners. So my final prompt looks like this. Now I just paste this into ChatGPT and hit enter. And watch what happens. And just like that, ChatGPT is writing our complete YouTube script. Look at this, it's creating the hook, the introduction, all 5 hacks with explanations. Transitions between each section, real examples, the conclusion, the call to action, even title suggestions. This is taking about 30 to 45 seconds. And boom, done. Look at this script, it's complete, it's professional, it's ready to use. It even gave me timestamps for each section so I know exactly how to pace my video. And the best part? This literally took me 2 minutes so far. We're not even halfway to 5 minutes yet. Now let me show you how to make it even better with one simple trick. Here's a pro tip most people don't know. You can improve your script even more with follow-up prompts. For example, if I want the hook to be more attention-grabbing, I can just type, Make the hook more dramatic and add a question that creates curiosity, and ChatGPT rewrites just that section. Or if I want more examples in hack number 3, I can say, add 2 more real-world examples for hack. See how easy that is? You can also ask ChatGPT to make it funnier, add statistics or facts, simplify complex parts, extend or shorten specific sections, change the tone of any part. This is the power of conversation with AI. You're not stuck with the first version, you can refine it until it's perfect. And even with these tweaks, we're still under 5 minutes total. Alright, now our script is perfect. Last step is super simple. I'm going to copy this entire script from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Docs or Notion or whatever you use for your scripts. Now here's what I do. I read through it once quickly and add my own personality. Maybe I change some words to match how I actually talk, or I add a personal story that relates to one of the hacks. This takes maybe 2 minutes max. And that's it. We just created a complete, professional YouTube script in under 5 minutes. This same script would have taken me 2 to 3 hours to write manually. Now it takes 5 minutes. And you can do this for any video topic, tutorials, vlogs, reviews, lists, anything. Before we wrap up, let me give you 3 bonus tips to take your scripts to the next level. Tip 1. Save your prompts. Create a document with all your best prompts. Every time you find a prompt that works great, save it. Build your own prompt library. Tip 2. Create multiple versions. Generate 2 to 3 different scripts for the same topic. Then combine the best parts from each. This gives you the ultimate script. Tip 3. Use ChatGPT for thumbnails and titles too. After your script is done, ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 viral thumbnail ideas and 10 clickable titles for this video. Instant content package. These 3 tips will save you even more time and make your content even better. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to use ChatGPT to write viral YouTube scripts in just 5 minutes. No more spending hours staring at a blank page. No more writer's block. No more struggling with structure. Just use the master prompt formula I showed you, customize it for your video, and let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful and you want to create better YouTube content faster, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I post AI tutorials like this every week to help you work smarter, not harder. The master prompt formula is in the description below. Just copy, paste, and customize it for your videos. And if you have questions or you want to see ChatGPT prompts for other content creation tasks, drop a comment below and I'll reply to every single one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating.